Hello! It feels like it's been about, I don't know, 5 years since I have filmed anything. It's been a little bit crazy, but what are you gonna do? While I was away, I had a couple of orders come in. I do have another Pretty Pink Co. order on the way, but it is not here yet. I don't even know if it has shipped yet. It was from her sale, so I'm sure she was super busy. I have no qualms about waiting. They're stickers, it's not the end of the world. So I just thought I would show you what I have, and if this other Pretty Pink Co. order comes in, I might add that after, once I have started editing this. So, didn't turn my phone on silent. And the run chat is popping. Okay. So this was a sampler sheet, and that's in the gold foil. I got this floral in rose gold. Okay, I got a lot of running shoes. These are in gold. And silver. And rose gold. So obviously I will use those for running. And then I also got sports bras that I thought I would use for like plank with friends or gym workouts, which I'm slacking on. So this is the sports bra icon in the gold. In the silver. And the rose gold. And then I got some dividers. So these are like a wave squiggle in the gold. And of course I got them in the silver. And in the rose gold. I got some heart icons. These are in the gold, silver, and the rose gold. And then I just got some more date dots. So gold. I actually think I got more date dots in the order that's en route. Silver. And these all have the little bows. And the rose gold. So that was Pretty Pink Co. Next I'm going to do Nicole Alexia design. This was the freebie that came with it. This I'm sure I will use during the Christmas season. I got a football sheet. 'Tis football season, y'all. Go 49ers. Yes, you would think me living in Vancouver, I'm a Seattle fan, but I am absolutely, positively not a Seattle fan. And then I got 3 kits. 3 kits? 4 kits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This one is called Magic. So this is Halloween themed. It's in silver foil. There's the full boxes. Labels, half boxes, third boxes, scalloped boxes. Headers, your washi headers, a couple extra little boxes on here, washi strips, and the date covers and the bottom washi. Can we just talk about how freaking cute that bottom washi is? Heck yeah. So that is magic. I will be using that in October. I haven't purchased any other Halloween kits that I can remember. But who knows? I got this kit called Thankful. So I'll be using this in October for Thanksgiving because I am in Canada, and our Thanksgiving is mid-October. So there's your full boxes, labels, quarter boxes, half boxes, scallops, washi headers, more boxes, date covers, and the bottom washi. Alexa, turn off the timer. I got this kit called Cozy. It is in silver foil. I'll probably use this in like November as we transition into December probably. Or I might use this in January. I don't know. Undecided. Boxes. Headers, more boxes, and the bottom washi and the date covers. Again, stunning. I love her kits. They are gorgeous. This is definitely, maybe not December, it might be. If it snows in Vancouver, it's usually in February, so I might hold this until February. Who knows? Full boxes. This is also in the silver foil. Half boxes, third boxes, quarter boxes, scallops, washi headers, more boxes, checklists, washi strips, and the date covers and the bottom washi. So that's everything I got at Nicole Alexia Designs. And I got another Planner Monkey Co. order. She is reopened. So excited. Okay. This little card that says self-care isn't selfish. Come on, camera. There we go. This little die cut sticker. This is the freebie sampler that came with it. Another washi sampler. This is the freebie that came with the order for spending over $50, which, trust me, was not difficult. I loved the stickers I got in the summer. Okay. These little like sleepy stickers. It's usually me at the end of the week. Different emotions. This could describe the flood process. We go from happy to sad to angry, sometimes all in one day. Noodles. And I would just like to state that it is the 24th and it is set to pour rain all this weekend, so maybe I will be using those for some ramen. These are like a mom and daughter ones, but I kind of thought that they would be good for auntie-niece days. Although they're now 13, so how often do they want to hang out with me? Probably not very often. These are little Christmas. Wine. I think that's pretty self-explanatory if you know me at all. Bubble bath, which is something I'm doing after I have lunch. So cute. Her Macy icons are just adorable. I really should have got 2 sheets of these. They should really go on every single day since the flood. Obviously I've planned some of that, but really that could just be used every day for that. Winter related, I like the little snow globe. So cute. And scarf. In all honesty, I can probably use these scarf ones from when I was in Alberta last week, because Alberta doesn't seem to understand that summer doesn't end until the 3rd week of September. Tired as fuck scripts. I should have got more. These little fast food icons. Hockey game. These will be used for when Jason plays hockey. He's already had a few games, but I haven't marked them yet because I'm so far behind. Vacuum stickers. We had a Roomba. The Roomba died in the flood, RIP. And in the rental, I've given up on the housekeeping, so they lent me a vacuum so I can clean. These are like little floating. So I am gonna go back to doing float sessions. So I might use these for that, or when we go to hopefully Hawaii in March and maybe to Mexico to see my parents in February. Working from bed. I will use these in the winter for, you know, those like couple of days that it might snow out here. Or if I go to Alberta again, because I'm sure the next time I go, it'll definitely be snowing. And then a Christmas sheet. I mean, I don't write a letter to Santa, but I might. And I don't have kids, but I'm sure I can write down when my best friend's daughters write a letter to Santa. This accurately describes me all day, every day. Meal prep flat lays. Road trip stickers. And I will get to use this, come on camera. I will get to use this soon because I just drove to and from Alberta. Whenever I get back home and can get back on my schedule of changing my sheets. I usually change them around the 1st and the 15th, just to make it easy, so I don't lose track of the last time I changed the sheets. Fuck scripts. I also got the fuck scripts in a neutral, which describes me today with the Strata's insurance adjuster. Once again, thinks that we're lying and upgraded our hardwood floors, which we did not. We just purchased from gays that have good style sense. YouTube icons in red. And in the neutrals, I got some more computer stickers. Hello Monday. There really should be a Hello Friday. More Hello Monday. Again, I should have got 2 of these. Probably should have got 2 of these. I mean, she's only like 40 minutes away from me, so really I can just keep ordering, and Canada Post usually delivers within a day or 2. And that's all I got from the Planner Monkey Co. So if that other order arrives within the next couple of days, I'll add it. Otherwise, I have other orders to place, so I will tack that on with the next bunch. Bye!